Hi guys, it's Kevin Whitehead from Whitehead Specialty Engineering. What I'd like to do is show you my Rollsizer. Now the details you can find on my webpage, rollsizer.com. Now the setup I've got at the moment is a basic underbench setup which would suit probably 90% of the shooters. As you can see, I've got a standard Dillon Super 1050 and I've got a little clip which you can see up here. This is a brass fitting that'll actually go straight onto your case feeder with a flexible tube. Now the tube is nothing special, but the key thing is that if you want to move your Rollsizer to on top of your bench or under the bench, the hose you can pretty much pick up at most hardware stores. Now I've got the unit set up for a pretty high processing speed. At the moment this machine is processing in around about 6,100 cases an hour. This is well in excess of the Dillon case feeder capacity. That's okay, but I'm just doing it to show people who are looking for a commercial application using high-end case feeders. Now, I'll start it up and give you an idea of how quickly it runs. Now, I've turned the case feeder off because it's a little bit noisy, but as you can see, the Rollsizer is not a terribly noisy component. And as you can also see, the cases are coming out pretty quickly. It doesn't matter whether you actually feed the cases upside down. It's not a problem. It will process it just as quickly. Okay? Now, I'll stop that for a sec. Now, if you also want to look at caliber conversions, what you can do is actually go through. All you have to do is undo this bolt, and you take the center disc assembly out and put a new one in. A caliber conversion generally takes about 30 seconds. The only other thing you need to do is if you're dealing with a longer case, you lift up the case feeder tube here, adjust this bolt, lift it up or down a little bit to suit, and that's it. There's only 2 adjustments you need to do on the whole thing. That's it. Very, very simple. Now, as you can see, the gearboxes and the electric drives are massively oversized. That's because I want it to last. The people who are inquiring about this get very upset if the machines break down, and all of the parts are very heavy duty. Upgraded bearings, oversized motors. This should last a very, very long time. People who are using it at the moment are running in excess of 100,000 cases. They are commercial loaders, and their quality of the work is very, very impressive. The cases, when they come out, that's been fired pretty hard, as you can see. That's a bit of primer flow and everything else. Now, that case, the base of the case there is almost perfect SAMI specifications on the base. If you look up the frequently asked questions on my webpage, you'll see the details that cover whether you need to roll size or what are the issues relating to roll sizing. And yes, you still do need to do full length sizing. This is because the top end of the case cannot be roll sized. The only way you can do that is through a push through die, and that doesn't work on 9mm, SIG or 38 supers. So roll sizing gives you the deal, and because you're going to resize it through your normal reloading press anyway, it's not an issue. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and I hope you look forward to hearing your inquiries on the webpage. You can look me up on rollsizer.com. Thank you.